Come on. Take it. Here we go. Little green sunfish. Thank you for playing. These things are so aggressive. So far, a lot of effort, one fish. What are you gonna do? Not had much luck with the drop shot, but we'll just keep trying, see what we can get. Yes! Oh, I sight fished it. Gosh, that was so cool. Oh. Man, I didn't feel that bite at all. But I watched him come up and just bite it. Oh, there we go. Finally got one. That was really cool. Cool. Okay, so I ended up getting my one bass, so I'm happy with that, and it's time to start turning around and heading home. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up here and fish just a second, see if I can't find anything on the spy bait, and then just keep on cracking home. Oh, is it still on there? Yeah. Boy, that was a little bit aggressive. Sorry. Okay. It's cool. We're all cool. Boy, you got taken for a ride. I'd love to catch a bass on this thing. I don't think I have yet. It'd be fun. Oh, yes! Yes! I cannot believe that. Yep, come on up here, buddy. Thank you so much. Man alive, I cannot believe that. There we go. Holy smokes, that was awesome. So, just swam it on up, right past the current. Managed to get that guy. So cool. That little spy bait. I wanted to get a bass on this. I'm so glad I finally did. Because that was just really what a fun bite. Right through the shadow. So, let's get him out of here. That was awesome. So bite's kind of turned on, but that's what I got that last one on. That little spy bait. Just swam it right past there. I didn't think he was going to go after it, and sure enough, he came up and just nabbed it. Man, that was cool. Wasn't the target species. Oh, shoot, he got off. How'd he get off of a treble hook? Well, whatever. That's still fun. Regardless. There we go. Little long ear. Little tiny long ear. Nope. Yeah. Long ear? Or no? Maybe a little hybrid. Looks like a long ear though. Little tiny. I want you to be a bass. No offense. Oh, fuck. There's a gar right there. Oh, I wonder if it's alive. It doesn't have much of a tail. It may not be alive. Yeah, it's not alive. Oh wait, yeah it is. Wow, cool. I was poking the wrong end of it. Good job, Doctor. Oh, come on. Yep. It's funny. Small and dumb. Look at this thing. Tiny little, oh, shoot. Tiny little itty bitty fish. I don't know if that one's gonna stay on or not, but last fish, last fish. Let's get him out of there. Okay. One more long ear, because I can't help myself. So fun. Okay. Nice, thank you. Well, that was fun. 2 bass, handful of long ear, a couple hours. And plus, we're leaving this place looking a little bit better than when we first showed up. Alright, well that's gonna wrap it up. Got a couple hours in, caught a couple bass, which was really nice. Got one on the drop shot and then another one on just a little spy bait. 2 really cool bites. Bite was super subtle, at least on the drop shot. I had to basically sight fish that fish, but you know, for a day that started off as a complete disaster, managed to make something out of it. So thank you all so much for coming along, and I'll see you on the next one.